Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, come sir, sir. Come
Great, sir. Sir, today we are signing an important MOU between them, sir. Sir, I welcome you on behalf of the Minister for Large and Medium Industries, our Chief Secretary, Mr. Rajnish Goyal, for this important occasion. I also welcome Sri Nipun Agarwal and his team from Air India. I welcome Mr. Sukaran Singh, Managing Director event from Bangalore International Airport Limited. Sir, I also welcome all those who present here for this MOU signing ceremony. Sir,
CM Shri Siddaramaiah ji, Honorable Minister of Industry and Infrastructure, Mr. N. Patil, Chief Secretary Rajnish Goyal ji. A big thank you to for your wonderful support that you have provided us, and I'm very deeply grateful and deeply honored by his blessings to the various initiatives which we are announcing today. Broadly speaking, we are going to do two things: create Bangalore into a major hub for Air India in southern India. These are two major initiatives. They are part of our transformation agenda. So it's a major initiative. We have been in discussion with Bangalore and the government of Karnataka for a long time for the same initiative. And with this initiative, we hope to significantly improve connectivity from Bangalore to the rest of the world in the
Tata Advanced Systems. So defense and aerospace has become globally a very important sector for the entire world and for every country now. And I think it's not working because the capability to repair it is not there. So that is one very important strategic capability that Tata will bring to the Bangalore airport. But the second one is that we are setting up a artillery gun facility, which are missing in the country from an aerospace and defense perspective. We're bringing it to here in Bangalore and Karnataka, Webagal also. We have two projects that we are setting up. One is for this perspective. These will be first projects for the state. So thank you so much for all the support that every one of you have given to us. Really appreciate it.
It is a very exciting day for us. Under your leadership and under the leadership of this government, I am 100% certain that Bangalore is going to be one of the most important things coming in. These investments will create further investments because these MROs cannot exist in isolation. They will need several other companies also to come and establish support facilities. So then
Mr. Nipun.
Adhikta.
Now it's and we have a third one of File and Tatas. Yes, without that, that's the basis.
Let's go, just open it up.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So one photo.
ಹಾಂ ಬಂದೆ ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಅದೇನೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಓ ಸಾರಿ ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್
Of course, you are here only in Bangalore, so
That's the right.
and we are going to have a store only. Yes.
Coffee box, if you would like to give.
Please, Ramjan also. Yeah, please.
Guru and,
Actually, Naveen and Shobhit sitting right over the work, so
yeah.
please come. Shobhit, come. Manan, come, sir.
Manan,
Sir,
Manan.
sir. Naveen, come, please. And Manan. Thank you, sir. Sir, thank you. Shobhit, come. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So photo, can I have?
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್
Congratulations, we assure you of full support. Thank you.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ. ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.